Welcome to Law Tech Daily, the podcast that keeps you in the loop on all the latest legal tech news happening each week. Tune in every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday to find out what's happening in the ever-evolving world of law and technology. Be sure to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on all the latest episodes. In today's episode, we'll cover the shifting landscape of using AI in legal work, including a deeper discussion as part of the key stories, the low enforcement rate of non-compete agreements, and Pinsent Mason's expansion strategy with the hiring of Matt Peers as global COO. Let's get started. Let's dive into the legal tech news from over the weekend, specifically the use of AI in the legal industry. While AI technology is becoming more prevalent in legal work, recent incidents are shedding light on the need for increased education about its capabilities. An attorney in New York recently got into hot water after using ChatGPT to supplement his legal research. The tool generated fake case citations, which were then submitted to the court without verification. This led to a 2-hour grilling by the presiding judge. We'll discuss this in more detail as part of the key story section shortly. In other news, the Lexpo conference is taking place in Amsterdam this week, with discussions revolving around themes beyond technology, including the legal workforce and the alignment of tools and talent. This shows that the legal industry is committed to keeping up with the changing landscape and embracing new ways of working. Lastly, a Government Accountability Office report has revealed that only 6% of private sector employers who use non-compete agreements have enforced the contracts frequently or very frequently in the past 5 years. This suggests that non-competes may influence worker behavior without employers having to take any action. So, workers with non-competes may be less likely to search for or take a job with a rival employer. This is particularly important to be aware of, given the focus on lateral hires across the legal profession. Let's move on to our first key story. Our main story today is one that we've been following closely over the past few days. Let's dive in. It's all about using ChatGPT and other large language models for legal work. Specifically, it's about a recent court case involving ChatGPT and what the judge called legal gibberish. In advance of the hearing, lawyers acting on behalf of Stephen Schwartz lodged a memorandum of law. Ultimately, Mr. Schwartz didn't check the accuracy of the text that ChatGPT generated, and some fake citations were included in the documents that ended up being submitted to the court. The judge was not particularly happy about this and referred to the use of ChatGPT as legal gibberish in what many have perceived as a sharp rebuke. The upshot is that we need to be mindful of how we use technology, especially in the legal profession. AI tools like ChatGPT can certainly be helpful in optimizing work efficiency and making legal processes more accessible. Still, it's crucial to remember that they are a tool, not an infallible oracle. It's crucial to highlight that this and any other cases aside, we must continue promoting the use of new technology in the legal profession. Yes, it must be done with caution. What stands out without a doubt is the need for better education around the use cases, benefits, and risks and limitations of new technologies, especially those that are rapidly evolving, such as generative AI. Despite the challenges, we must continue to incorporate AI into legal work, learn from mistakes, and continue to explore its potential. This boldness paves the way for a future of AI-enhanced legal service delivery and work product that is supported by a human in the loop. So let's keep innovating while remembering the importance of diligence and expertise in the legal profession. Moving to our last key story. Pinsent Mason's, a leading international law firm, has hired a new global chief operating officer. That's right. Matt Peers has been recruited to replace the outgoing COO, Alistair Mitchell, as the firm gears up to expand and improve its business operations under the Vision 26 Inches strategic plan. Peers, who has previously held senior roles at companies such as Linklaters, Deloitte, and Carphone Warehouse, will report to the firm's new managing partner, Laura Cameron, and will sit on the operations committee. The firm is expecting Peers to lead the way in ensuring that the business support provided is fit for the future and as supportive as possible to its strategic objectives. This move is part of Pinsent Mason's ongoing expansion strategy, and we're excited to see how it will play out in the coming months and years. And that's a wrap. Subscribe, follow, and join us next time to learn what happened in legal tech this week. Stay informed, get ahead.